Okay, so the last one we're doing today is we're going to be making a type of dream catcher out of this horseshoe. So we'll be hanging a heap of different ribbons and feathers and a few beads off the bottom of this horseshoe and decorating the top of it. And my daughter wanted a more neutral look for this one, so these are the sort of colours we're going with, sort of like whites, blues, creams and a little bit of neutral pinks. So we'll get started on that by painting this one up first. Okay, so the colour we're going to be painting this one, it's called Sweet Pink. So it's a very, very light skin toned pink. So hopefully that will be a nice neutral colour. I really like this colour actually. So again, it'll probably need a couple of coats. But this acrylic paint seems to cover the metal quite nicely because it's already been painted with some sort of black spray paint, and it's given it a nice base to stick to. And we have a few, I think that's all, but we have a few gems and things. Like this is going to be sort of the colour palette, sort of like pinky neutral. So what I'm probably thinking of doing is maybe sticking these gems along here and then having a few dangle down as well. Maybe put that one of those right in the middle and then have some of these sort of charms hanging down from it. So we'll start with that. So this is just an old bracelet. I'm just going to basically cut one of these, cut this off. I mean, that's the beauty. Like, I mean, it's sort of a bracelet I'm never going to wear, but it's still got lots of great stuff on it that you can still use. So we'll probably glue that one on there. So that's going to be the start. These along there, that's going to look quite nice. Stuff, KS Bond, it's so crappy and messy to work with, but at least once you get it stuck, you know it's going to stay. You ever wondered why the lid never super glues to the tube of super glue? I often wonder that. It's like one of life's mysteries. Like it'll super glue everything else together, but the lid never super glues to the tube, I found. Which is really odd. We're just going to add our beads as well, which I'm just going to add with a little bit of wire. So just threading the wire through there. That's our little dream catcher project. You can see I've attached some of the beads just to the little loops with some wire on each side there. And yeah, I'm really happy with how that one turned out. That should look really nice in her room. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got heaps more of these teen room decor projects coming up. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.